How to fix TikTok not opening in iPhone 12. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and then search here TikTok. Now here you can check if your TikTok have any update, then here you can see the update option. First of all, update your TikTok. After update your TikTok, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on TikTok. Now here you can offload your TikTok app and reinstall app. After you install your TikTok app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.